What time is it?
9:50.
9:50. So at least 10 minutes after the rain stopped, or around 10 minutes. Water's still pushing under the garage door. At least it's not to the porch anymore like it was. Just to reiterate, the storm drain from the street, as you can see, the street is pretty much full of water on both sides. And this water comes over the curb. The entire length of the property at 253 Oakmont Circle. The entire length. So from the east side, I'm walking towards the west side right now. All the water coming off of Palmer Place. This drain's overwhelmed. Shoots straight across the street. Adds to this water coming from the east. Down our driveway. Pushed into the garage tonight. And then continuing to walk west. Still coming over the curb. The entire length of our property on Oakmont Circle. You can see where it was flowing earlier. You can see the damage it did to our garden, or not our garden, but our planter area. And then this drain here, still coming over the curb. Here's the west side of our property. Coming from the neighbors, not as bad as it was earlier. See the earlier video for that. And then of course the planter, all the damage done in there tonight. The geniuses that tied this into the gutter system forces the gutters up above to overflow. I didn't take video of the south side, but it did the same thing that's in the video from earlier where it was overflowing because it's just overwhelmed.